how to redeem a YouTube premium code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem a YouTube premium code. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. What you can do is, in order to redeem your YouTube premium code, you're gonna first head into your browser on your device. Once you open up your browser, at the search bar at the top, what you want to do is type in youtube.com/redeem. Make sure to spell it correctly. Make sure to type it correctly, sorry. So youtube.com/redeem and tap on go. Once you tap on go, you'll be headed to this page now. But what you want to make sure is you are logged into the correct account that you want to redeem your code on. Tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right corner. Tap on the arrow icon or your profile name that you see there, and then switch between your accounts, or tap on add accounts and add in the account that you want to redeem your code on. Add your premium account there and then enter in your code here. Tap on next and you'll be able to redeem your code. So this way you can redeem a YouTube premium code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.